tax season is here. Struggling to find your tax documents? I have got an easy solution for you. Today I will show you how to quickly access to important documents through your CRA account. First, log in into your CRA account. Make sure you are on the dashboard screen. It's best to use computer or laptop for a clear view. On the dashboard, look to the right side, scroll down to the tax information slips and T4 and more. Click on it and you can select the specific year you want. So we are filing taxes for 2023. Just select that year, and once you click on it, and then you can click on all the slips you want, and you can choose T4, T4A, T5, T2002 and others as required. Once you click on all slips, just click on view and you can download the open PDF, and you will download your tax document quickly and send them to us to get your tax done efficiently and on time. Do not wait until the last minute. Access your CRA account today and stay ahead this tax season. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.